Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Village at Hawk Sky Villas by KeysCaribbean. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. This resort is located on Duck Key, 12.6 miles from Marathon, Florida. Wi-Fi is available in every villa. The Village at Hawk Sky Villas features an Adventure Concierge. Guest villas include a full kitchen, private bedrooms and in-room laundry facilities. The Village at Hawk Sky Villas is 7.1 miles from Long Key State Park, 25.7 miles from Islamorada and 2.6 miles from the Dolphin Research Center. There is also the Calm Waters Spa on site. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.